touch. Just follow, don't touch. We're in the victory. Galing nga rin mo ah.
I won.
Why you did that? Show it to me. Yay! Oh my God, 110. Hindi ko na-solve. Siya lang ang nakasolve. Ang ina. I will give you my ice cream. Grabe. Walang delivery na kami pa. I will show it to them. Sige lang. From 110, the whole afternoon kami kahapon, hindi ko talaga na-solve. Siya ngayon, akala ko give up na ako noon. Give up na ako noon talaga. Pero siya na-solve niya. Tayo na isang takbolahan. Bilat. I love it. Shukran, B.
That's when I show you. At the customer, you have to say the words.
Hello guys, good morning. Today is you don't go to school?
Because my tummy's hurt.
Her tummy's hurt. And then she wants to show her breakfast.
It's a sandwich.
She have the sandwich with cheese and ketchup.
Hey,
This is Ola from Canada.
Yes, I want to eat.
Okay, you eat your nose, Ola.
No.
And then have this one here, nuggets, breaded. This is her food in school supposedly, but because she's absent, that's why she will eat her breakfast here now. She have apple and she have rainbow cereal.
And see that
Cucumber, hummus, a lot. Cucumber, hummus, I don't know hummus in English. Hummus, sliced bread, and nuggets, okay? And still here, you have your milk here. Milk and juice. The biscuit, I will not give this to you. We will bring this when we get Rahab, okay? And then, making jelly is you and Rahab, okay? Ay, ice skating. Yala guys, limpyo na ko guys. Guys. Bagays. Mga bagays. Dapat bagays kay bagay at bagay akong hangga. Basta ako isa una sa bata pag kaya di man ko managlay. Nya na may buang nga among silingan. Buang layo-layo na sa mua pero kay gamay raman ng tao sa una mo ng history sa akong pagkabagay. Suraon ko nilag bagay. Bagay. Accepted. Guys, this from my Madam Shaima's Pizza Restaurant. Wait for the delivery. Abangan nyo pizza dyan. Entab ka? Pati yan. Kalas na. Bye bye. Good night. Madam will tell you where. Uy, wala kaming kaalam-alam. Tingnan mo yung dalawa kung anong nangyaring nagkakain, no? Anong dang TV? Ako namamalansa. Hindi kami pinag-prepare. Ang gown ko, hindi ko pa na-plancha. Ang high heel ko, hindi ko pa na-shine. Ano ba? Ang crown ko, hindi ko pa nadikitan. May kulang pa yun ng star. Kailangan sabihan ako. Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? The comeback of the school, hello. So, wala lang. Second day sa comeback sa school. Umaambon sa Saudi, baka uulan. Uulan ng mga uulan ng mga pabuya. Aray ko po.
Guys, listen to this music and rate it.
This is your mother. Are you there? Are you coming home?
Just the mama? This is your mother. Are you there? Are you coming home? I wanted to record Mayar water, Mayar water. Mayar don't like water. Maybe bored.
It's about kidnapping.
Ah, okay.
It's about those kids who opened the door for the wrong person.
Okay.
So then the mom is knocking. She's like, hello? Are you there? This is your mother. Are you? And then the next...
Same like the fox and the Goldilocks. What's that?
No, the music part.
Yeah, the one the
But
fox.
then, no,
Eat
but
the
then
grandma.
The next part, the mother is like, are you coming home? Because then she finds out that your daddy's not home.
Okay. Gusto mo nang umuwi pero
Hello?
wala pang aeroplano para sa'yo.
Are you coming home?
Kakanta ka na lang na. Dili na ko uli.
Your
Ganahan.
mother, are you there?
Hello, this is your mother. Are you there?
Coming home.
Okay. I will. Ewan ko. Dili ko na. Wag
Dili
muna.
ko na kabata para ba 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 ba
Hey,
ba ba.
are you sleeping? You have appointment in the swimming.
Hello? Are you there?
Big oy. In the hotel, a very big swimming pool.
Ah, Dubai.
Diba? Mashallah. Ruwag Legoland Salman. Wow. Legoland Water Park.
First floor, second floor.
Ha?
First floor, second floor.
Ah?
Swimming pool का हाथ दो second, third floor बाद में jump.
Lafi, ay, bas.
Jump.
Alat ni Rahab Gul. Mashallah di India. Ay makan fi Dubai. Ay fi Dubai fi India. Kitir India fel Dubai. Ruhag tani hag alin fi zipline. Bas ana ma.
Dubai कुल्लू हिलिया मोगी.
Aywa. Aling fi. Hada fi zipline, fi train slide, fi. Mashallah. India katir. Mo kitir Dubai. Mo kitir Saudi. La India. Mashallah. Ay makan. Mall. Wow. Syada. Mo Dubai. Ada India.
Kenapa lo India Dubai?
Iya India.
मालूम? 200 रियाल वीजा
Hmm?
और 200 रियाल वीजा हिंदी फ्लोर.
Okay. Bas 200 riyal? Wala.
टिकट 500 रियाल खाना को दुबई का.
Hmm.
700 Saudi रियाल.
Aywa.
दुबई का वर्ल्ड को इंतजार में खला. वहाँ भी कलाम सुनता मैं काम आ गए.
Ah.
हाँ यार खला.
Taye, basta na kitir. Kitir India na. Inta ro sawa-sawa hag busura inta. Ruwag Dubai? Lisa. Mapi. Les.
हाँ बिल्कुल बस इंशाल्लाह 2000 का भी पूरा बना.
Taye.
Garbage can, garbage can.
Taye. Restaurant hinak marahilo. Adag Iraqi. Aywa Iraqi restaurant. Iraqi restaurant kala sa Kil Badin Hatik Shahi. Mashallah. Aywa fi Shahi bas Shahi madri sawi ada Shahi marahilo riha marahilo lon ladid.
I need to look for the clothes she's wearing. Where the blue thing? That man, where was it?
Man.
Show me. You don't showing me. You're not showing me.
You leave your iPad there showing you?
No, they're not telling me where's that blue thing.
I don't know.
That blue thing.
Yala leave your iPad bo. Leave your iPad.
Oh yeah, not yet. I'm looking for the perfect clothes.
Yala look for it because we will go out.
I'm looking for
Yeah.
store because she's in the house now. So yeah. Dada, yo, update.
Kita kalau kantor.
Banana.
Memki. Badin sawi shower.
Banana shower.
5:30. Yeah. Look at the sun view. So nice. And it's windy. Watch your step. Windy, the windy. Mag-swimming si Miss Bibi. Ang saan na sa kala nila?
There's sticks over here. We're building a new building.
Maybe. Why?
We're building a building. We're building a new building.
They're building a new building and then where we pass, still here. May mga na-construction na naman din ay.
They're building.
Just watch your step because have nails and everything. Tali, baby. Hey, don't step there. It's danger that. Oh, I know.
Stay. Don't go to them.
Wait. Wait. Tell you. Oh, 1 p.m. Sabay 9. Ada sulod ang 7 day kapihan. traffic. Malaglang rin. Beep, 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 beep. Third day still, my nose is not.
I'm gonna give her that.
Uy, thank you so much.
She will never know.
We've been there in Dubai last week.
Not.
Ngayon pa sila umulan, ngayon pa sila nagbaha, nawala na kami doon. Salamat naman at hindi kami na-trap. Nauwi kami. Pati sa Abu Dhabi, nagbaha din. In way na venue ng friend ko. Talagang yun yung dinaan-daanan namin nung nandun kami sa bakasyon. So thankful, ala.
Awesomest day ever.
Iniwas kami doon, hindi kami tinrap. Kasi kung natrap kami, kawawa.
Get a A.
So nauwi na kami, alhamdulillah, safe.
Everyone have to graduate like
Oh, basta so sad for
so
them.
happy.
Happy na yung Dubai. Ayaw ko kung ba't ganun. It's nature.
And you can
So,
you like it.
everything can happen for a reason. Ganun,
And if
ganun.
you get
Lalang
one,
lang.
then you're gonna be
Get well soon, sugar. Better na, delete na tayo. Get well soon also for me.
And Emily have gift
Akal,
for me.
sabak
I
kayo
have
siya.
gift for my sister. Emily!
Akala ko ako lang yung nakaramdam ng...
We are real friends.
Siguro sugar ito na yung mga resulta sa mga kapaguran natin.
We are friends.
Nag-flashback, nag-throwback na yung mga binabato natin time sa Ramadan ng mga puyatan. Lahat at hanggang ngayon, nagpupuyat pa rin tayo. So, ito na siguro yun. Sobra, no? Sobrang...
Did you like
Pero
the
alhamdulillah,
song?
we're still alive.
It was a cool
Kaya
one.
pa, hirap lang huminga pag lalong-lalo na paggabi kasi
Everything was good.
mainit na siya. Kailangan na siyang mag-aircon.
So
Tapos,
I'm gonna make a
Laka, it looks like a heart.
birthday.
But
It's
it's
gonna
not.
be a cool one.
Ako one dyan bit lang.
خلاص يا جماعة خلاص.
Ano ang tawag nito? Nawala na ako sa ingay-ingay nito. Bulik.
I myself.
I'm talking to my friends.
Stop. They know your friends.
I'm talking to myself.
I'm sorry but you don't have.
Yes, I don't have friend. I only have one. Sugar. The sweetest thing in my life.
The sweetest thing in your life.
Yeah, that makes me alive. Bang. Hindi talaga.
Sugar makes you sick and you turn to a candy bar.
And then you like candy, I know. So you will like me because if sugar is with me, I become candy. Ang sama kayo siya.
Yeah, I'm gonna tickle you in the middle.
Araw nito. Wala na nung akong istorya.
What have I
Ayun,
tickling
bitaw.
Mary? Look.
Kani mga kakapoy na ninamo bitaw nga mga nangabati. Ay, Tagalog dito siya. Ito na yung mga pagod namin na nabuo.
Stop. You don't
Gusto
have
mo
friends.
tulog. You don't have friends.
You're gonna sit out.
Sugar is a sugar.
Tak, tak.
Dukot ko tayo. Ay! Naabo!
I'm a
Don't eat me.
crocodile.
And if you're a crocodile, don't eat me. Pabi! Papunta ka ron. Kung ilong ra ba nasamad?
No.
Sa kasipon. Nasamad siya.
Hey guys, look.
Kaya pa, kaya pa, kaya pa! Hey! Wow!
Wow,
So
so cute.
cute. Only rin mo don't listen. Oh. Oh.
It's on my YouTube channel. You haven't liked anyone. You haven't checked anyone.
Yeah, I don't check.
Because
I'm
you're
not.
a fake fan.
Yeah.
Rahab.
And you're a very big cheeks. And you're a big fat place. You have to be in a fat ball.
Go on.
There you are,
Have
the
me
fat
high
ball.
five, high five.
I'm a fat. I must be in the fat ball.
Yeah.
Guys, watch.
Ah. Sugar na. And sasama niya kami sa papayat niya. Aray ko. No.
Okay, let's go now. There, the spinning ball.
I don't like the spinning ball. You only one. You can ride there. I'm not.
Yes.
Okay, kalas.
I'll go.
Bye. What's your name?
Inad.
Huh?
Inad.
Inad. Okay. I'm Maria. That is Ree. Okay. Where? What color?
Blue.
Oh, here's the blue.
This blue.
Okay, ride.
Hold
Plato.
Get me up here.
Ready, go.
It's a boy.
How good? Inad, you want to play here? Ay, wala naman silang hilig sa bata. Ano ba? Gawa lang sila ng bata. Ay, wala eh. Ay, sila magkadugit-dugit na primo. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Come here. So, kalawan ka. May rami pang kaming ginagawa sa bahay. Maggala na nang walang walang katapusan. Bakit? Yala, go up, Dima. You see Dima? Dima is very strong. Ha? Dim. Wait. Dim first. You want to go up, Dim? Yala, go, Dim. You can do it, Dim, because you're brave, Dim.
I'm brave.
Ikaw, nag-break ka na sa talawa ng bayot na. Wait for them to be there. Okay? Ang laki-laki ng mga lubid oh. Hindi pwede pang tali sa ano, magbigti. Hindi kasi, ano sobra sa kamay ko. Wag, stretch your legs. Kabayot man mo, oy. Yala ko, why in the down? Wrong mo na sabi, dini kabi, oh, diri kabi. Baliktad, nag-utok niya siya. Malapit lang kayo dito? Okay. You want there? No need holding me. You have to be a cowboy, not a ladybug. Stay there. Stay there. So you have to. I will sit down. Laka. Laka. Go back ni Ron. Remo. Because I'm sitting here. Joby oh. Aray ko. Dadang ta kayo ba?
I don't have to go down to the stairs. There's some help. I want to go with the girls. I got it.
Lawan din siya. Skip. Tingnan mo sugar kung saan kami. Walang katuturan ba? Dadamay ako sa papapayat nila. Ano bang nangyari? Sila na lang kayong dalawa maglakad-lakad ano? Yung lang kaya kami sa bata no? Bukas lamoy na naman ito. Utang ina eh. Hindi pa naman tumataba ang alaga ko. For nabuang na, bunggan na. 4th day na. Wala na ulit klase. Kasi Monday mo sila nag-start. Ang butong sa event ka. Isamot ka, grabe kagaya akong bukay. Nag-park mo kagapon, mga buang. Ingat pa din na park. Where we go today? Happy.
Maybe today I will go to bounce.
No swimming for Momay. You don't have swimming Momay today? Oy, Momay, green. Green, alpusan tayo, girl. Ay, bakit sa si Alporsan green? Lang school bus. Ay, ay! Just checking.
أو حدا كان أو حدا أما المعنى في قلب في بطن الشاعر حلو وذكاء انتظار شوية هم هيرجعوا هنا. Wait, I have to take the picture out.
Yes. Bismillah. Yalla. Oh. Ano din yung bangis? Oh. My first time.
I got banned from here last time.
Come on, hold. Okay, shukran. There.
I know, I have to stick the thing in.
Okay. Peace bomb with the girls. Guys, this is... Uy, sasali ka sa kanila? Saan ka? Dito ka? Uy, kami. Dala akong bata. Para pa lang dito yung escape room. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko pa. Ngayon pa ako dito. Hindi pa yung malaki. Look up, Primo. There's umbrella bigina. Oh. Okay. Wow.
Alsadahan.
When? Where's the Alsadahan? It's up there.
Yeah.
Naam.
When I was little, I go move daycare like that.
And then?
And even I go to the daycare. When I was little,
Ay, wala jabit.
when I was little baby.
Dartford.
Ha? Hadi hadi mo tarik hagmina mo
They
tarik
come far.
Carrefour.
Ada yang perlu izin malam part time job ada madam Ustaz Mas Imam Habib.
Ah, hadi.
Sunday. Malu.
My neck is hurts.
Okay. Look up International Indian School.
Ada English.
Mario, when I talk,
Mhm.
when I done, I'm gonna be here. When I'm done with the school.
When you're done with the school, you'll be there. It's
Yeah.
Indian school.
Yeah.
Ada Salman School.
No. When I grow up a little bit, then I will go that school when I'm done with my own school.
Tayyib. Bas hadi shortcut tarik hadi ano malo. Shortcut tarik.
Oh, and then there's a bully. Yeah,
Aywa.
I don't know. I like boys, but
Ay, masuk
I don't like bullies.
La, ano malo masyan minawal ka man hadim. Ruhag Sulaiman Al Habib mo hinak. Hagtani. Aywa ano malo masyan hada. Bismillah. Aywa hadi mo kabir tarik. Masyan syuk pada Madam Lujin. Ruhag hinak.
What's that?
Ana ru sawa-sawa badin hadag za sawag tani. Ada mara talog tawil. Tawil wak. Kam ada Baskin Robbins rin mo ma. Kita full sada sa.
Yes.
Ada Baskin Robbins kita full sada.
Amelia, I know we do something, so I have a cool plan.
What is your cool plan?
Tomorrow,
Mhm.
we are going to surprise Rafa. I'm gonna do it with my friends. I'm gonna call them.
Why?
My mommy will call my friends.
For?
So they can help me make the party.
What party that?
For Rafa, to surprise her. They're gonna help me
Why you're going to give surprise Rahab?
because she's gonna be, so she can be happy. I
She's
will-
happy now.
But I have to I'll put some bracelet, everything. I'm gonna buy a bracelet. I will not make it and then get the bracelet, buying the bracelet.
Kamu.
When my friends are done, when it's almost done, I was making almost there. My day there is a field trip because the other day I left the doors on, so this time I don't have to lift the Bella Beans.
Philippines.
It's better because the Bella Beans is super big.
Billy Bees. Big.
The Bella Beans.
Okay.
Bella Beans.